Tonight we have been showcasing the live events industry, the careers that are available and the higher education courses that can help get you there.
It's just like a little show off for the universities to get people more into education.
Having events like this where you can see things for real and you've got that opportunity to meet with students, to talk to students, to hear from people who've kind of been there and done that really makes the difference.
I'd like to welcome you all here to Production Park.
It just brought something alive and it just opened my eyes completely. Every child and every parent must have been awoken in there. It made you want to engage with people because of the passion that they had. It just oozed passion.
Where is this heading after your Masters?
Well, I hope to keep on with True North Productions to start off with, and I really want to become a series producer. The industry is immensely exciting, whatever you end up doing, and just being part of just doing what I'm doing right now is extremely rewarding to see that people are enjoying what I'm making on TV.
The kids were just in awe of the performances, so I noticed that my son was really engaged in it, but also me too as well, so it was fabulous. You don't know when everything falls into place, so I feel now I'm walking away with everything falling into place, his next step as a parent.
We have Ohio West Yorkshire's bus, and this is its launch event. We're inviting parents, young people, anyone that's got an interest in higher education or even just a few questions to get on board with us and to ask those questions.
Not everybody can come to an open day, so we're going to be out in community settings across West Yorkshire over the summer month, and really we wanted to make higher education information accessible to people.
At our university we get to do jobs like this. It gives us the experience and the knowledge and also gives us contacts into the future. So instead of us just having a normal sitting down in lectures all the time, we get the chance to actually put all of our knowledge into action and actually be able to do everything and to know if this is really what we want to do in life. If you can find the subject you want to do and you know that's what you want to do, go for it. In my opinion, higher education has really been a lot better for me.